Don't be needing that. Welcome to the Toyota Chaser JZX100 giveaway. This time, we've gone after the well sought after Toyota Chaser JZX100, and it was pretty much dead stock. All we had to do is put some brand new BC BR coilovers on it and some beautiful bronze Gram Light raised wheels. So on the paint, we've got that beautiful Toyota Pearl White, and then she's got the factory option TRD apron body kit. So interior, good points. We've got the TRD optioned carbon trimmings. Bad points, we've got an automatic transmission, much to my disgust, but we've got to cater to those daily drivers. So under the bonnet, we've got the 2.5 litre straight 6 1JZ VVti model with only 140,000 kilometres. And she got that turn for this. Rear end, we've got Rego in Victoria, and we've got that JDM cannon for all them JDM barbs. Alright, well that's it. If you want to win this immaculate JZX100, you better get your entry in, 30 bucks, keepreet.com. Don't miss out before it sells out.